In Figma, we can create shared team libraries. Shared team libraries are a way for teams to create a centralized library of design assets that can be shared and reused across multiple design projects. You could store your variables, styles, and components in external libraries. So your colors, typography setup, and any components from icons, buttons to cards and navigations. An update of the variable, style, or component in the shared theme library would result in a prompt to update any design file that uses the style, component, or variable. You can work with one or many theme libraries. It's important to note that to use the shared theme library feature in Figma, you'll need a Figma Pro plan or above. This means that additional costs may apply depending on the number of editors you have on your team. Please make sure that you check with the current Figma pricing plans for more information.